All right, let's talk about one of Canada's most iconic comfort foods, poutine. If you've never had crispy fries, melty cheese curds, and rich gravy all stacked together, you're seriously missing out. So today I'm showing you how to make legit poutine at home, step by step. First up, fries. Now, you want these as crispy as possible, so I always start with russet potatoes. Wash, peel if you want, and then slice them into thick fries, about half an inch wide. Rinse them in cold water to get rid of the starch, then dry them completely. This is key for crispiness. Next, heat your oil in a deep pot to about 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop in the fries, but don't crowd the pot. Fry them for 4-5 minutes. These are just getting tender, not golden yet. Scoop them out onto a rack or paper towels and let them cool for at least 30 minutes. Trust me, this double fry method is a game changer for that perfect crunch. While the fries are chilling, let's make the gravy. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons flour, stirring until it turns golden and smells a bit nutty, about 2 minutes. Slowly pour in 2 cups beef stock or chicken stock, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. Add a splash of Worcestershire sauce, a pinch of garlic powder, salt and pepper. Simmer until thickened, about 5 minutes. Taste and tweak the seasoning. For cheese curds, authentic is best. If you can't find them, go for mozzarella chunks, but honestly, the squeaky curds are what make poutine. All right, time to finish those fries. Crank the oil up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and fry the potatoes again. This time until they're golden and crispy, about 2-3 minutes. Drain and hit them with a good sprinkle of salt right away. Now let's build. Pile a generous heap of hot fries on your plate. Scatter lots of cheese curds over the fries and then ladle that piping hot gravy all over everything. The whole magic is letting the gravy melt the curds just a little, so every bite is saucy, cheesy, and crunchy all at once. And that's how you make classic Canadian poutine right in your own kitchen. Give it a try and I promise you'll impress yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share.